Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we're going to convert Roman numerals into integers using JavaScript. It is a great way to blend historical numbering with modern code. Let's dive in and see how it works. Roman numerals have been around for thousands of years. We often need to convert them into integers in modern apps or tools. Today we'll build a function that takes a Roman numeral string and returns its numeric value. It is a simple and fascinating problem. Here's our complete code snippet. We map Roman characters to integers with the helper function. Then, we loop through the string, adjusting for cases where a smaller numeral comes before a bigger one. This handles subtraction rules like IV, which is for perfectly. We process the numeral string one character at a time. If a smaller numeral comes before a bigger one, we subtract twice the smaller value and add the larger. Otherwise, we just add the current value. This handles cases like IV and IX correctly. Let's check out some examples to confirm how our function works. XXVI becomes 26, CI becomes 101, and IX becomes 9. Notice how our subtraction logic correctly handles numerals like IX. Everything works seamlessly. Roman numeral conversion is more than a neat trick. It's super useful in history apps, games, and even digital clocks. Anyway, you need to handle classic numeral systems, this function comes in handy. You can build so many fun features with this technique. And that wraps up converting Roman numerals into integers. We've combined a simple mapping with smart comparison logic. This gives us accurate and readable and reliable results for any numeral string. Thanks for joining me and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.